What's the meaning of curt? Curt. Curt.
Curt. Curt. The term curt typically refers to a person or communication style that is brief and to the point, often coming across as brusque or impolite. This can sometimes be seen as a sign of rudeness or lack of interest in the conversation or topic at hand. While directness and efficiency can be admirable traits in communication, being curt can lead to misunderstandings or hurt feelings. It is important to strike a balance between being concise and being respectful in our interactions with others.